Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we'll be creating a gorgeous centerpiece with a gold vase and burgundy and champagne flowers that would be perfect for fall weddings or dressing up your home for fall. For this DIY, we'll need tape, scissors or a wire cutter, greenery, styrofoam, silk flowers, and of course a vase. We're starting with our wide compote bowl vase, and it does require a bit of assembly, as you can see. You just have to connect the base to the bowl and secure it together. The great thing is that it already comes with this foam insert for safe shipping, but we're going to be using it for our centerpiece. So there's no need to try to find something else, you just flip it over and place it on top. Then we're securing it with a little bit of tape. And now it's time to decorate and really get creative. We're using burgundy silk gerbera daisies, champagne zinnia silk flowers, and a bit of greenery. You want to leave about 3 to 4 inches of stem, they'll give you more room to play around with. And of course, before you place the silk flowers into the styrofoam, you want to steam them so they open up and look more natural. We have a great video about that, so make sure to check in the cards or in the description. We'll link it there. The daisies are about 4 inches wide and the peony flowers vary between 3 inches to 1 inch, but in this part we do want to use the wide flowers to fill in the most space. And once you're happy with the coverage, you can start adding smaller accent flowers. We're adding our champagne zinnia silk flowers here. And as you can see, we are varying it, so some flowers are open and some are closed, and the variety is going to give you a much more interesting centerpiece. And as for the colors we're using, the dark burgundy and the light silky champagne complement each other really well. These colors create an amazing contrast without appearing too harsh. And of course, they're perfect for fall because they remind you of the changing seasons. Once you're done adding the flowers, go ahead and add a little bit of greenery to fill in the space and give the centerpiece more volume. This is a great time to use any leftover greenery you have or any leftover silk flowers that might fit the colors or the theme, especially any leftover greenery. And if you do end up making this DIY, please share it with us. We'd love to see it. You can find us on Instagram at BalsaCircle. You could tag us or use the hashtag BalsaCircle so we can find your DIY. Fall is honestly one of our favorite seasons. You have the changing leaves, pumpkin spice, and Halloween coming up. There's so many chances to decorate, and this fall centerpiece is going to make a great addition to your decorations. So we hope this tutorial gives you an idea of how to make your very own fall centerpiece, and be sure to check in the description for the tool list and more videos like this. Or if you have any questions, please ask us in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.